Good afternoon, YouTube. Coming to you today from the Groton project house. In this location, we removed this wall structure here. This was originally installed. We've demoed the kitchen. This wall is going to come flush. We're going to get this cased opening removed and flushed off, and this side the same way, so that you got a little bit more of an opened area. This is going to become a pocket door, so you don't have to worry about the door swinging inside and losing some space there. This is going to stay a vanity on the left-hand side. Window's going to get replaced to be tempered glass. Toilet's going to stay there. A little bit of more space. We're going to raise that toilet paper holder up a little bit because it's really low. This side is going to get flushed, so that's going to get cut here. This cased opening is going to go away. This side is going to probably stay. Actually, no, this is going to get removed as well. This is going to get flushed off here, and so that it looks like it's opened, all opened. And this is going to come out in plane, so you don't have this bump out here, and then a couple inches off, and then straight back. So you won't even notice the chaseway for the ducts and piping. We're also going to run pipe from the second floor master bathroom, which is above this area, through and then down. Let's hop upstairs real quick and we'll show you that section. All right, coming to you from the upstairs area. In here, this is the master. We're gonna have this wall come across in plane and intersect this window. It's hard to tell, but basically from here across to there, and it'll intersect that window. The window is going to be removed, and that's going to just be wall. You're going to come in to the bathroom just off center of the window. The toilet's going to be in front of the window here, and then on this side we're going to have a nice 3.5 foot by 4, or about 3.5 by 6 foot walk-in shower, and that ductwork's going to be behind a chase. And then on the right-hand side here, we're going to have a vanity and then another vanity with a mirror in the corner. This window is going to stay the way it is with tempered glass. This window's going away. New window, walk-in closet over there. No changes to that. This side, this bathroom's going to stay as is. Toilet, small vanity. Close this top up to make it look decent. New window, but tempered glass only, no changes other than that. And the bathroom's gonna stay like that. That's new HVAC register there for heat and cooling. This room was demoed and prepped for insulation. The shower behind there is all the way it is, no changes to that. New windows are going in here. I think that should be about it for this project. All right, remember to like and subscribe to our videos for more content. Looking forward to showing you this house on the final walkthrough, and probably a little bit more along the way. Let's actually hop down one more spot into the basement. We'll show you. In the basement, we have a new 200 amp electrical service here. We have a new hot water heater, heat pump style. We have a brand new gas furnace with AC coil on top, and it's going to be the high efficiency style, so it'll get vented from here up and then out and vented through, kind of up through there. We're going to run the vents so that they're out of the way. All new plumbing in this house. We're going to have a new exterior drain line connection, and that is that new ductwork in the basement. Here's some extra supplies standing by. New PVC piping there, and all new. This basement's huge. Nice high ceilings, could be used as a bonus room with minimal effort. A little bit of flex duct there for more ductwork in the ceiling here. So everything's coming along just smoothly. All right, remember to like and subscribe to our videos for more content, and we look forward to showing you the finished product of this house in Groton, Connecticut. And if you're in the market for a 3-bedroom home that's fully renovated, reach out to us. Look forward to selling it to you.